We have a complete French drain install for you guys today. Entirely from start to finish, we're going to show you the entire process using all these materials as shown. It's going to be a turn-by-turn direction on how to do this. First, everything's all covered up. Next, we have our jackhammer. You'll see we chip about 2 foot off the wall. We do a straight line with our jackhammer all the way around, 360 degrees. It would be around the basement, but in this instance, it's going to be around both the basement, into the garage, all the way back around to this existing sump pump, which will be removed. We also go down about 2 foot. Here is a new drain that's going to be installed in the garage. Here you see we're drilling 3 holes per every single block so that the water will run in and down into this drain and run all the way to the pit. Here's the window well we're putting another drain into and also using it to pull all the air out via our air exchanger. There's the piping we're going to be putting underground. As you can see how extensive the holes being drilled are. This is a key part. You want to make sure all the water gets out of the block and into this trench that we are creating. We dig down thoroughly. Again, it's 2 foot down, perfectly flat. And the pipe itself will have pitch to the pit. We're hauling all the debris away today. We got a lot of help on this one. I had to sub out to a crew, and it's going to be all done in a single day. Sorry for the sideways video. Had to get my dad to fill in here. He's showing the pipe going in. Pipe has holes all the way around to allow water to penetrate. It goes first on the weed block felt. Then it goes down. Then we put the 3/4 clean on top of the pipe. 3/4 clean is a drainage stone, so water will flow through it accordingly. This area is required to have 2 pits because of how large it is. Here is our J. This is going to serve as our channel that's going to be running our water. This goes up the wall and is screwed and fastened in. It's screwed in with nails that have a plastic cover over them so they will not rot or rust away. Then we put our 6mm plastic on top of that. And then it's time for our concrete, which we brought enough to mix all of our own. This is a Saturday, so we won't be paying extra to get any concrete trucks delivered. Here is the drain we spoke about. This house, the driveway pitches directly to the house, so that drain is very important. Here you can see one of our cleanouts, and we're hitting it with our mag float as it's being put in to level it off back to the existing floor. As you can see, the channel is exposed above the wall. We make basically an L shape with it. There you can see it being fastened in once again. You can see the 6mm plastic on top. You see how it's sitting on top of the 3/4 clean stone. Then you see at least 4 to 6 inches of concrete going all the way around. There's our drain from our window well tying back in and running into this sump pump. As you can see, it's being done 360 degrees around the space. There is yet another clean out. Here's our 1 pit. You see water's already coming in. Here's our 2nd pit. And here's concrete going around said pit. This concrete, they're mixing it themselves. They're using Portland, sand, and 3/4 clean aggregate in the mix. This is 1.5 PVC. That's what's going to hook up to the sump pump to pump the water out and go out of the home. Now, our sump pumps installed. There's 2 sump pumps per each one. One's a Zoeller, and the other one is a fully battery backup. Basically has a car battery in case the power goes out or something fails. You have a battery backup. Each pump, each hole has 2 pumps. They're smart pumps. Again, complete with full battery backup. So no matter what storm happens, you'll never have water sitting in here. It's going to pump it out. There we got the stone back in the window well. Here you can see both pumps. Both of these pumps have their check valves in place as well. Fully up to code. They also have to both be installed into GFI outlets. So we had to get new outlets for each one. So there's two pits, 4 pumps. We ended up getting 4 outlets for this. You didn't need to, could have done 2. We just went a little bit above and beyond, a little bit extra. We don't want anything tripping. And here you can see it all the way around. Now we're going to show how it goes up and out and how it ties into our downspout or leader, and it runs all the way out.